Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Jayyster. Hope you're doing good today. Hope you're having an awesome day. Now in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the newly released Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now full disclosure, I have been using this phone for a little over a month now. I recorded this unboxing and I never got to editing or uploading it. So I can give a little bit of a review on how much I'm actually enjoying the phone since I have been using it over a little month now. With that said, let's get to this unboxing, shall we? Now, if you guys like this video, found it useful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We're well on our way to 1,000 subscribers. That's really awesome, guys. And thank you to everyone who has subscribed. Happy New Year's, guys. And let's get to some unboxing, shall we? Okay, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the main flagship iPhone Apple currently has on the market. They do also have an iPhone 12 mini, the regular Pro and Pro Max. Apple is going pretty crazy with all these iPhones, so I did pick it up in the new Pacific blue color. As you guys can see, really beautiful color in my opinion. They did release it in Pacific blue, rose gold, white, and black. Now they do also have it in 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes as well. And I must say, I'm really loving the packaging on this phone. It's very sleek and compact. And the reason being is because they are no longer including headphones or a charging brick. The only thing inside it is your USB-C to Lightning charging cable and your Apple stickers and setup instructions, the usual. So now, some of the new features with this phone are, of course, the super fast 5G, the A14 Bionic chip, the ceramic shield front display with 4 times better drop performance as Apple claims, the Super Retina XDR OLED display. The iPhone 12 Pro Max also takes the Pro camera system even further with a larger sensor that increases light gathering on the wide camera lens for better quality photos and videos, a new sensor shift OIS for rock steady shots, and a new 65mm telephoto wide angle lens that lets you zoom in for tighter and better portraits. And it is better for low light photography. It does also record up to 4K at 60 frames with beautiful Dolby Vision. It has Smart HDR and Apple Pro RAW. And those are just a few things regarding the camera. Very amazing what these phones are capable of doing. The iPhone 12 Pro Max also has a better battery performance. It does have a 6.7 display, so it is bigger as well. I also like that they went with the square design, taking it back to like the iPhone 5s era. A little modern kick to it, but still little throwback to them. So that's really cool and very sleek looking in my opinion. Now, if you are trying to upgrade from like an iPhone XS Max or lower, this is definitely worth the upgrade in my opinion. The new color, the camera improvements, better battery, bigger screen, Apple Pro RAW, the A14 Bionic chip, plenty of good specs that make the upgrade definitely worth it. If you do have an iPhone 11 Pro, I don't think it might be worth the upgrade. Now, if you are into like content creation or heavy into like Instagram, taking photos and taking advantage of that new camera or new cameras, I should say, then it's definitely going to be worth checking out because, like I said, it does have a better camera, better portrait, better low light quality. It has Dolby Vision, 4K at 60. You can record 1080p at 240 frames for that beautiful slow motion photography and recording. So it's really cool and awesome. Definitely worth it in my opinion. Again, I have been using it over a month and I really love it. I have been using it to record my videos here on YouTube. My past videos, I have been recording them in 4K at 60 frames. So that's really cool and I'm really loving that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my quick little unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max here in the Pacific blue color. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys plan on picking it up or you have picked it up and how you're enjoying the phone. Again, guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We're well on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. Happy New Year, guys. We are definitely have a lot of cool content planned for the channel, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.